In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Smartsheet and create your first project sheet. We'll walk through the full setup process from opening the website to building a simple working sheet you can start using right away. If you're new to Smartsheet, don't worry. This is a straightforward process, and once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat for future projects. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Smartsheet website. Once the homepage loads, look for the option that says Sign Up or Start Free Trial. This is usually placed somewhere prominent on the page, so it should be easy to find. Click that button to begin creating your account. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Type in the email you want to use for your Smartsheet account, then continue to the next screen. Make sure you use an email address you can access, since platforms like this often send confirmation or verification messages during the sign up process. After that, create your account by following the prompts on screen. Depending on what Smartsheet asks for, you may need to add a few basic details and set up your login credentials. Take a moment here to review what you enter so everything is correct. Once that's done, finish the registration process and move on. Now log into Smartsheet using the account you just created. After signing in, you'll arrive at the main workspace. This is where you'll organize projects, track tasks, and collaborate with others. If this is your first time inside the platform, the layout may feel new, but the main idea is simple. Sheets are where your work lives. From here, create your first sheet or choose a template. If you want a completely fresh start, select a blank sheet. If you'd rather save time and use a ready-made structure, choose a template that matches the kind of work you're doing. Templates can be especially helpful if you're managing a project, a task list, or a team workflow. Once your sheet is open, start adding the key columns you'll need to track your work. Include tasks so you can list what needs to be done, owners so each task has someone responsible for it, dates to track deadlines or schedules, and a status column so you can quickly see what's not started, in progress, or completed. As you build this out, keep the sheet simple and practical. A clear structure makes updates faster and helps everyone understand what's happening at a glance. Once these columns are in place, you'll have a solid Smartsheet foundation ready to use.